Jackson Pollock was born on January 28, 1912, and he passed away August 11, 1956. He was an American painter and a major figure in the abstract impressionist movement. He was widely noticed for his drip technique of pouring or splashing liquid household paint onto a horizontal surface, enabling him to view and paint his canvases from all angles. It was called all-over painting and action painting, since he covered the entire canvas and used the forces of his whole body to paint, often in a frenetic dancing style. This extreme form of abstraction divided the critics. Some praised the creation, while others derided the random effects. In 2016, Pollock's painting, titled Number 17A, was reported to have fetched $200 million in a private purchase. A reclusive and volatile personality, Pollock struggled with alcoholism for most of his life. In 1945, he married the artist Lee Krasner, who became an important influence on his career and on his legacy. Pollock died at the age of 44 in an alcohol-related single-car collision when he was driving. In December 1956, 4 months after his death, Pollock was given a memorial retrospective exhibition at the Museum of Modern Art in New York City. A larger, more comprehensive exhibition of his work was held there in 1967. In 1998 and 1999, his work was honored with large-scale retrospective exhibitions at MoMA and at the Tate in London. From 1938 to 1942, Pollock worked for the WPA Federal Art Project. During this time, Pollock was trying to deal with his established alcoholism. From 1938 through 1941, he underwent psychotherapy with Dr. Joseph Henderson. Henderson engaged him through his art, encouraging Pollock to make drawings. Some historians have hypothesized that Pollock might have had bipolar disorder. Pollock signed a gallery contract with Peggy Guggenheim in July 1943. After seeing the big mural, the art critics Clement Greenberg wrote, "I took one look at it and I thought, now that's great art."